Well, there are two programming approaches in the world, called object-oriented programming and procedural programming. Java, and many other modern programming languages, follow object-oriented concepts. You are learning Java in order to create softwares. That can be a web app, mobile app, desktop app, or any other embedded software. So, think what a Java software, or, in other words, a Java program really is. In simple terms, a Java software is a collection of objects. A collection of objects communicating with each other. I am going to explain it with this simple example. Think about a library. You can find librarians, users, books, and membership cards there. If you make a Java software to systemize all functionalities of a library, you may have librarian objects, user objects, book objects, and membership card objects in that software. Alright, now, what is a Java class? We have been using a Java class called FirstApp in this course. A class is like a construction plan or blueprint of an object. Like a construction worker build a house using architecture's design, the Java virtual machine build objects using classes. If you consider a real-world object, there are things that object knows, and there are things that object does. If you think about a car object, size, weight, maximum speed, and fuel capacity are the things the car knows. What are the things a car can do? Start, stop, and accelerate are some of many things a car can do. When we write a Java class for an object, things that object know, or, in other words, properties that object can have, we write them as instance variables. Things that object can do, or the behaviors of that object, we write them as methods. We use class diagrams to show classes. Here is a simple class diagram for class car. We have written instance variables in above cell and methods in below cell. And this is how it looks if you convert that into a Java code. Here, you can see the instance variables. And these are the methods. And notice, a real car can have hundreds of instance variables and hundreds of methods. We are discussing this simple class just as a demonstration. Please watch carefully these video lessons 2 or 3 times. Close your eyes and remind what you learned. Well, from next lesson, we will learn how to construct an object of a class.